question looks interesting. Let's have a look. C1 is a circle of radius 1 with center at origin. Let's keep drawing as and when we read it. So you have a circle of radius 1 with center origin. They're calling it C1. And C2 is another circle of radius r. Center is at 4 comma 1. So let's say that this is my 4, so 4 comma 1 is some point here. So tentatively your graph should look reasonable. Okay, so this is 4 comma 1, that's my point A, and you have a circle of radius r. Let's draw it. Okay, now they are saying your r lies between 1 and 3. That only means that the two circles are not intersecting. Two distinct common tangents you have. So let's draw. You know how the two distinct common tangents will be. This is one common tangent. Let's have another common tangent, maybe something like that. Okay, so two distinct common tangents are there, PQ and what is ST. Okay, these are the common tangents. Okay, now what are they saying? Okay, the tangent PQ touches C1 at P and C2 at Q. I think we are good, right? Yeah. The tangent ST touches C1 at S and C2 at T. Yes, we are also good here. Now what? Midpoints of the line segments PQ and ST are joined. Now what we are doing? This is a midpoint of PQ and you have a midpoint of ST. We are joining them. What happens then? To form a line which meets the x-axis at the point B. Okay, so let's say this is M and N. The midpoints are M and N. These are meeting at the point B. Okay, what else? Now they are giving you that AB is root 5. The length is given to you. AB is root 5. Now they are looking for what is value of r square. So r is what? Radius of the second circle. Okay, they are looking for what is r square. Okay, let's fix one thing. Okay, what is B? Okay, you know y coordinate is 0. And let's say x coordinate is some alpha. Right? You know what is AB distance, right? Can you figure out what is alpha? Yeah, use your distance formula. Okay, what is AB square? Use your distance formula. It's alpha minus 4 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square, and that is given to you root 5 square. That's 5. Solve it. Alpha minus 4 whole square is how much? 4. So alpha minus 4 is equal to plus or minus 2. It means alpha is either 6 or 2. Which one are you going to take? Of course, 6, you are not going to take 6, right? Because this is 406 will be somewhere here. So alpha you're going to take as 2. So you already know the point B. Your B is 2 comma 0. But I have to figure out R, right? So let's use the information that this is the midpoint of PQ. Okay, if this is the midpoint of PQ, what do I know? That MP is same as MQ, right? And also what do I know? NS is same as NT, right? Okay, now do I know M? Let's assume a coordinate for M. Let's say XY is M. Okay, in other words, if you see that MN will be the radial axis, if you know how to figure that out. Okay, but let's not go there. Okay, let's use the fact that MP and MQ are same. Okay, let's solve this. MP and MQ are same. So can you get me the length MP? Which triangle are you going to use? MP length, right? So you know this is perpendicular because it's a tangent. So this triangle, OMP. Okay, let's use that. What do? Hypotenuse is square, OM square. Okay, if M is XY, then OM square is X square plus Y square. And what is OP? That's the radius, right? So minus 1 square. That's equal to MQ square. Can you get MQ also, this length? Basically, we are getting tangent length. And you know how to figure out the tangent length, right? This is how much? This is MA square. The hypotenuse is MA square. Okay, can you get me MA square value? Yeah, X minus 4 whole square plus Y minus 1 whole square minus R square. Now solve this up. Okay, solve this up. See, x square is everything getting cancelled. What are you left with? An equation. Minus 8x minus 2y, and then all the constants is plus 18 minus r square is 0. Now you see that what do you end up in getting? This is a line. This is equation of a line. Okay. Now do you see that if I had taken n to be x comma y, I will land up in exactly the same equation of a line. So even n is going to satisfy the same equation. Okay, what does that mean? That means it is representing the line MN. Okay, I'm not going to name it. It is a radial axis which we are trying to figure out. Okay, so this is the line. Okay, but what do we know about that line? That the point B is on that line. So it should satisfy that. Let's uh, substitute the value of B point. Okay, so This you're getting 2 times 0 plus 18 minus r squared is 0. What do you end up in getting? 2 minus r squared is 0, and that gives you r square value to be 2. Okay, so my r square value to be 2. In other ways, if you understand, then you can just figure out what is the equation of the radial axis, that is mn. Okay, and then you can just substitute what is the coordinate of b and get your r square. Okay, either ways it's fine. Okay, see you with another question.